Hey girl,
Yo,
talk to me.
what do you want, girl?
Man, my guy just caught me.
You let him catch you?
I really don't know how that happened.
With who?
With the guy next door.
Oh, man.
I don't know what to do.
Just say it wasn't you.
Alright, honey came in and he caught me red-handed, sleeping with the guy next door. Picture this to a boat back naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given him an extra key? All the time she was standing there, never took his eyes. Listen up now. How you be giving man access to your villa? Trespass and a witness while you cling it to your pillar. You better watch your back before he turn into a killer. There should be the situation that you caught up in. To be a true player, you feel know how to play. He will stay at night, convince him stay a day. Never add me to a word when he say. And when he call him, you tell him, baby, no way. Aye. But he caught me in the counter. He saw me banging on the sofa. I even had him in the shower. He even caught me on camera. He saw the marks on my shoulder. He had the words that I told him. He heard my scream getting louder. And he stayed till it was over. Honey came in and he caught me red-handed, sleeping with the guy next door. Picture this to a boat butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I was about to see? All the time he was lying when I told him it was. Listen up. I will tell him that I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused. I have listened to your reasoning, it makes no sense at all. I will tell him that I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused. You may think that you're a player, but you're no sense at all. Yeah, honey came in and I was sleeping with the guy next door. Picture this to a boat butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given him an extra key? All the time he was standing there, he never took his eyes off me. Oh,